Are you tired of struggling with ineffective skincare products? Do you want to unlock the secrets to achieving or actually producing a more effective skincare product, especially when it comes to skin lightening and skin whitening? You want to learn about the safe ways that you can make a skincare product, give your customers brighter complexions that are safe and not harmful at all. Now, look no further because our upcoming training is designed to equip you with the knowledge and skills to transform your skincare formulation and also to give your customers the result that they're looking for. Hey Flora Skincare, welcome back to the channel. If you just see my face for the first time, hi, my name is Selek Khalil and I am a Nigerian-based beauty influencer. I am a skincare formulator. I create skincare products, DIY skincare products, professional skincare products, advanced skincare products, and I also teach you how you can make your own skincare products at home and how you can start your own small skincare business and grow it into a bigger empire if you want to. So today's video is basically trying to remind you of our upcoming training that is coming up on the 22nd of April. Now, what is this training about? A lot of people have been complaining about skincare ingredients that they are using for skin lightening that is giving them issues. A lot of people are complaining about using hydroquinone, and this product actually causes problems for them. If it's not oxidizing, it's causing issues for their customers. So I have decided to do this training because it is going to help you achieve that result that you're looking for and help you satisfy your customers. In this training, you're going to learn 4 different recipes. You're going to learn how to make a face wash that is going to help with hyperpigmentation, it's going to help with large pores, it's going to help with acne, it is going to help brighten and give you a radiant complexion, smooth out your skin complexion. And you're also going to learn how to make a face whitening cream. Yes, I said a face whitening cream. This whitening cream is going to give your customers up to 4 shades lighter, and your customers can start seeing results as early as 2 weeks depending on their skin type, but as early as 2 weeks they will start seeing results. We're also going to teach you how to make skin whitening body cream. This cream can be used by all skin type. It's going to help give your customers a radiant complexion, help with anti-aging, help with dark ties, help with dark feet, dark knuckles, just generally give you a uniform complexion. You're also going to learn how to make a body wash. Now, this body wash is going to help exfoliate your skin. It is going to be in the form of a body wash. It's not going to be a paste. It's going to be a body wash. So you can definitely create it into any color that you want and all of that. But this particular product is going to help exfoliate the skin and help to whiten and hydrate the skin as well. We're also going to learn about the anatomy of the skin. You're going to gain a deep understanding of the structure and the function of the skin. You're going to learn how various factors can affect the appearance of your skin, and you're also going to learn how to target specific skin layers to achieve a whiter complexion. A lot of you complain about skincare products that are not working, right? In this training, you're going to understand why your skincare formulations are not giving your customers the results that they want. You're going to uncover common mistakes that you are making that is not making your product not effective. And you're also going to learn the best technique that can help you maximize the effectiveness of that ingredient. You're also going to learn how to choose the best skin whitening active. You're going to learn how to research a particular skin whitening product and how to get the best effectiveness from that ingredient to give you the results that you need. Because a lot of people think that skin whitening is just mixing hydroquinone or any other whitening active into your skincare products and you expect to get results. That's not how it works. So in this training, You're also going to learn how to effectively use skin whitening products or skin whitening active to target the specific skin layer that you want your products to get to. Like I said, we're going to give you 4 recipes, and you can use these recipes to create your own set. And trust me, by the end of this training, you will be able to choose and learn how to research your own skincare ingredients. What are you waiting for? Why are you wasting time? The training is going to start on the 22nd of April, and it's going to be a 5 hours training course. Now, this 5 hours can be in 2 days or 3 days or 4 days, depending on how the class comes. But we are going to have 5 hours in this training. The training cost only 50,000 naira, and we're not taking a lot of people. This training was actually initiated by someone who wanted to take the course, but she couldn't afford the full fee. So in order for me to help her, I decided to open the course up for you guys to join in. So with 50,000, you're going to get all this knowledge. Now, if you want to learn more about this training, you want to get more information, you can send a WhatsApp message using the link in the description bar to reach me, and I will explain everything that you need to know about the course, and also how you can join the course. The training is going to be on WhatsApp. It's going to be a live call on WhatsApp. But even if you are not available at the time of the training notes are going to be sent on the group. Now, this training notes includes all the information that I am going to be talking about in the class, so you can always refer back to these notes. You're also going to have recipe sheets or formula sheets that you can use to create your own skin whitening products, and that you can use as a base or as a template to create your own unique recipe. Now, don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to enhance your skincare formulation knowledge and elevate your skincare game. Make sure you are marking your calendars for the 22nd of April and join us for this transformative training session. The training date is the 22nd of April. The time is 6 p.m. Nigerian time. The admission fee is 50,000 naira. Now, spaces are limited, so secure your spots today by registering via WhatsApp. Just send us a WhatsApp message in the link using the link in the description to join this amazing opportunity. And I can't wait to see you guys in this training. Bye.